In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high-quality videos from just text prompts, and it's completely free. Let's dive straight into it. Open your browser and search for Kling AI. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. On the Kling AI homepage, locate the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click on it and sign in using any of the available methods like Google or email. Once signed in, you'll notice several options on the homepage such as Home, Explore, etc. Look for the AI video button and click on it. From here, select text to video to begin the process. Now, enter a detailed prompt describing the kind of video you want to create. Be as specific as possible. This will ensure better results. Adjust the settings like the duration, e.g. 5 seconds, and aspect ratio according to your needs. Once done, click Generate. Kling AI will now start generating your video. Since this is a free plan, you might have to wait in a queue, so be patient. While we're waiting, let's talk a bit about Kling AI. This tool is incredibly versatile. It allows users to transform simple text into captivating videos using AI models. However, the results heavily depend on the details and creativity of your prompt. The more detailed and imaginative you are, the better the outcome. Once the video is ready, you'll see the results. In my case, the video could have been better. I realized my prompt wasn't detailed enough. But that's the beauty of Kling AI. You can refine your ideas and generate again for even more amazing results. And that's it, guys. Kling AI makes text-to-video creation incredibly simple and free to try. Remember to experiment with your prompts to unlock its full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. See you in the next video.